Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama Scarecrow here. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin patch cakes. Let's start with our ingredients. First you need some kind of cake mix. You could use white, yellow, or orange supreme if you like that. We are just going to tint that with orange food coloring to make it the orange color for the pumpkins. And then you need everything that it calls for in the back of your box. So mine is 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, and a half a cup of vegetable oil. Then, like I said, you need the orange food coloring. I'm using this wild orange color here, the gel. And then I'm going to use just a small thing of the vanilla frosting. They just started making these, I think. They're $1. But they're smaller than the regular tub of frosting. Then I'm using green decorating gel to make like the leaves and vines. And then you need something for the top. So I'm going to use these honey wheat because they're like the braided twist. They may be kind of big, but you could use just pretzel sticks. Those would be good for the tops too, depending on how big your bundt pans are. So I got this cool mini bundt pan at TJ Maxx for $7.99. I've been waiting for one of these for a long time, so I'm so excited. So of course you have to have one of these. I guess you could really use the mini muffin tins too. Those would work, but I just really wanted the little edges in there. So let's get started. Go ahead and preheat your oven to the back of your cake mix. So mine is 350, and spray your mini bundt pan with cooking spray. Alright, I'm going to mix all of my cake ingredients for 2 minutes with an electric mixer on medium speed. Okay, that is nice and mixed, and I went ahead and added my orange already to that. So mine is just like a really light orange, but that's what I like. Now I'm going to fill my little bundt pan over here. It says about half full, but I'm going to do mine 2/3 full. Alright, those look good, so I am going to put those in the oven as soon as it's ready for about 10 to 12 minutes. My first batch just came out of the oven, and I did maybe fill those a little too full because they're a little puffy, but we can just cut those to make them fit nicely. So I am going to go ahead and let those sit here for a couple minutes and then move them to a cooling rack. Okay, I went ahead and cut these. You just want to cut them, make a nice flat so there's really no edges on the side. And then you want to just bring them over to your little assembly. Put a little bit of frosting in there, put them together, and then stick your pretzel rod or whatever you have to hold those together, your pretzel sticks. And then you have all of these, which I hate to go to waste. I mean, you could just eat them like that. But so I'm going to make little tiny pumpkin whoopie pies. You could do that. You can make them into jack-o'-lanterns and decorate their faces. That would be so cute. But you will need a lot more frosting if you're going to do that. Okay, I tried one with the green gel, and I do not like it. Maybe if I had a green frosting, it would look better. So I am just going to leave mine like that. And there's all my little whoopie pies. The whoopie pies are kind of moist, though. I'm not sure if they'll harden up or not. But our little pumpkins are all ready to go, and they look so cute. Those are all ready for taste tester to have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And one more, and happy Halloween.
Bye.
Bye.